It's a prank. It's a prank. I couldn't hold my laughing. I'm so sorry. I'm shaking. Oh my god. Are you okay? What's the matter? Are you okay? It's just a prank. Well guys, so he's looking. He's looking, bro. Look at this. It stinks in here. Look at all this. Oh, it's everywhere. It's foggy in here. Oh my god. You guys don't know how scared I was. Where'd Damien go? What's the matter, babe?
My ankle.
You hurt it?
It's my sprained ankle.
Oh, I'm so sorry. I forgot all about it. I'm sorry. It was just a prank video. Do you want some medicine? I'm shaking, guys. Do you want some medicine?
I'm tired. I need a breather. I need a inhaler.
Huh?
I need an inhaler.
Oh. Are you okay? What did you think happened?
What kind of question is that? You know what I thought? I thought somebody was in here shooting. I had to grab my gun.
So what was you about to do?
I don't know. I was about to shoot somebody. I thought niggas was shooting at me.
I got so scared. I ran. I wanted to see how you was gonna get up, but
Bro, I'm naked. Why you got the camera? I'm naked, yo.
So wait, let me ask you this one question. Was that a good prank? Huh? Ooh, that stuff stink. Was that a good prank? You're not gonna answer me?
Just know prank words are on.
Ooh, that stuff stinks.
What's this, firecrackers?
Yeah.
Oh, you gotta clean that up.
No, you about to clean it up. That's the only way I could get you to wake up.